Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, I want to make this quick video. Hopefully I'll keep it under a minute about these safety flares. My wife bought this for me for Christmas or my birthday a couple of years ago, and I never used them until last night. We were driving one of our spare cars, and we got a flat tire. We had to use these things. You know, they come in a nice little bag here. Let's see if I can keep this under a minute. Yeah, I'm in my kitchen right now making me some tacos, but it comes with some spare batteries here. Some keys. I don't know what this is. I haven't used it yet, but we used it last night, and I'll show you the night scene hopefully if I have enough time at the end of this. But I just have to use a couple of these. They're magnetic. This right here, I'll show you later, but this right here sticks to the car. Can you see that? And then they even have some hooks right here where you can hang it and then press these like this. Check it out. It's one setting. Ooh, it's too bright. Okay, then there's a, there you go. You got all kinds of settings. All right, I'm gonna save it. Might be over a minute, so it's gonna be a long video. So anyway, it has different settings for the lights. Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be this long, but hey, it is. Let's see what else we have. There we go, blinking lights, and it comes with a set of, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it has this right here. This right here is the glass breaker on both sides, and this right here is like, oh, this is a good tool. They say it's used to like cut the seatbelt. Like if you ever get trapped in the car, you just use this to cut it. Cut seatbelt, cut string, cut rope, whatever fits up in there. Hold on, put your finger in there. Yeah, that's about it. All right, I'm gonna shut this off. All you do is long press this. It shuts off. Like I say, we just used it for the first time last night, and well, since we're already over a minute, I'm going to show you, next clip is I'm going to show you the, what is this for? Oh, I'm going to show you the tire that we fixed real quick, and I'm going to show you how it sticks to the car. But yeah, hold on, here we go. Switch over. So yeah, so here's the dummy tire that we had in the trunk. Didn't know it was a dummy tire, but yeah, and here's the flare. Pretty much just sticks on the car like that, and you press the button. Yeah, how cool is that? You put this on the front, back, side to side, whatever. Like I said, it comes with like, what, 6 of these flares. And I'm going to show you the tire right now. Yeah, so here's the tire. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Oh, look at it, it's glowing right now. I have it in the dark. I'll show you how it looks at night. It's cool. But yeah, here's the tire. Look at that. It's in there. It's in there. It's in there. Little sucker. That's okay. The tire's still good. Lots of tread on there. Now I'm going to show you how it looks at night, and I'll get back to you. Okay, now, this is how these things look outside. Okay, yes, I'm in the driveway right now. I'm not on the freeway, but check that out. Can you not see that from a distance? Look at that. Can you not see that? And like I say, this thing right here, check it out. Ooh, I know it's like annoying. I can't even see the buttons anymore. Hold on a second. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And that it's on the car. Wait, watch this. And then, come on. There you go. No flashlight. Look at that. No flashlight. You can see under the car. You have to change. Look at the front tire. Let's see. You gotta change the tire. There you go. It has a little flashlight. Right, watch this. Sticks right on the car. Doesn't hurt anything. Yeah. So yeah, you saw that. That was pretty cool. Yeah. So this is Marcala LED safety flares. Yeah. So go ahead and do us a favor. This is our first video on our channel. Yeah, so go ahead and click the link in the description. Go ahead and check it out, and it's a great gift for sure. It's nice and compact, and keep it in the trunk. All right, thanks for watching.